Yeah, hi guys. This is a video for an alternative to hosting your website on the 000 web host that Jennifer referred to in her video. And this alternative is to test your contact form sends information to your email account. So to start off with, I'll just show you my code. It's a little bit different from Jennifer's, where I've got the \r and the \n characters, and these are end-of-line characters that are used for Windows systems, and they are security measures to prevent the injection of additional headers that spam distributors could potentially use. Okay, so to start off with, we need to edit two files in the XAMPP folder. So XAMPP is installed on the C drive. So if we go inside that folder, and the first folder we need to go into is this PHP. And if we scroll down to php.ini, which is this file here, and it has a little gear icon on it. So if we double click on that one, and the lines of code we need to edit are sort of halfway down this file. So if we just hit Control F and type in mail function, and it highlights where that is. So if we just scroll down a little bit, the first line of code that needs updating is this SMPT port, and by default I think it's 25, so you need to change that to 587. And the next line of code is this send mail from. Now the default one above it gives an example, and you also notice that it has the semicolon before it, which is like a comment, so it doesn't actually read that line at all. So you need to update this line here. You can either copy it or uncomment it and put in your email address in that section. And the next line of code to update is the send mail path. And this is the line of code that you need to put into that section. So once you've done that, just save it, and you can close that one, and just go up one folder back to the root folder and scroll down to send mail, and scroll down to same again, send mail.ini. There's a little gear icon. Now I've already got my one open, and it's not that large, this file. So the first one to update here, same again, it's got this SMTP server. Gives you an example of what code to put in there, and this is what you need to put in. So it's smptgmail.com, which we can use there. Server, so this SMPT stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And same again, we need to update the port number to 587. And just scroll down, there's two lines of code you need to update as well. So this auth username, so this will be your email address in here, and of course your password that is for your account. Obviously mine isn't using password. I've just put password in there. You need to update in there what your password is. So those are the only lines of code you need to update. So once again, file save. And one other thing we need to do, because we've made these changes on the files, is go to XAMPP and stop it. So it can refresh those files and then start it again. So now when we come to the page, put in some test data. And send that. It takes a little bit long to process. It gets there eventually. And if I come into my email account, that email I just sent is just being sent. There it is there. So if you have any issues, just let me know and I can help you out with some of the coding. Good luck.